Hey guys, it's Britt. Tonight we have a little update on the Ruby Franke case. There was a case dropped and I have some updated thoughts on everything, but we're going to go over it. So if you're interested, please keep watching. All right, you guys, so this update was provided a couple days ago. I've seen new videos floating around YouTube sharing this update, so I figured it was a good time to sit down and we can bring everything up to speed. We have a new little video clip image of Ruby as she looked as of a couple days ago for her hearing, and of course I will share it with you guys. She is looking just frazzled and like the child monster that she is. So I love to see karma playing out for Ruby. No more, glamorous lifestyle showing cute little new hairdos and stuff on YouTube. This is now Ruby Franke. Welcome to jail, Ruby. So this starts out and says Ruby Franke appeared in Santa Clara Justice Court related to a speeding ticket she received just days before her arrest for aggravated child abuse. Franke appeared Tuesday via WebEx from Purgatory Correctional Facility in Washington County. She said one word, yes, when the judge asked if she could hear him. Franke was charged with speeding, going 50 in a 35 mile per hour zone at Center Street and Snow Canyon Drive in Ivins, Utah. This happened August 25th. Her arrest in Ivins with Jody Hildebrandt took place 5 days later. Franke entered a not guilty plea on September 18th pertaining to the traffic violation. During that hearing, the city of Ivins asked the judge to dismiss the speeding charge given the nature of the charges she's currently facing in district court. Ruby's attorney, Lamar Windward, said, "We agree." The judge then dropped the speeding infraction against Ruby. Regarding Franke and Jody Hildebrandt's child charges, no new court dates have been set. And I mentioned this in my video, a recent video that I did talking about this. We're going into the holiday season. I would not be surprised if we don't see anything new well into next year. I don't think this is going to move very quick. I think that it's just going to be slow moving. So I wouldn't expect anything new in between now and the end of the year. And I think that if we're lucky, we will get an update maybe January, February. But again, I do think that it's going to move slowly, just my personal opinion. But I will also share with you guys the body cam footage from this traffic stop.
Hello. You know how fast you're going right there? No. Okay. Got you going 57 and a 35. I'll be back real quick. Okay, here's your info back. The citation for speed, got you going 57 and a 35. I wrote you down for a 50. You have 5 days and no more than 14 to contact Santa Clara Justice Court. It shows right there in that little box right there. And then just has a phone number right there. Okay, any questions for me? No. Okay, just slow down for me, please. Thank you.
What on earth is Ruby Franke doing driving around Utah at 4 something in the morning? Literally driving around at 4 something in the morning, speeding. I have many questions as to where was she going? Where was she coming from? Like, why are you in such a hurry? I get it. Like, we all speed once in a while, but Why are you speeding at 4 a.m.? Like, what's going on? I do think that it makes sense that they went ahead and dropped this charge. I don't, giving her this traffic violation, honestly, like, I would rather them focus all of their energy and time on moving forward this child case, because those children need justice. This needs to be seen all the way through to the end. And Ruby Franke, for now, I am very glad that she is still sitting in jail, because I've said 100 times that is where she belongs. But like I said, I would rather see resources, time, and attention be given to making sure that this child abuse case against her and Jody is picking up steam and moving forward, so that these kids can close this chapter and move on to rebuild their lives. Ruby, nothing will ever be the same for any of the Franke family. Kevin's family, Ruby's family, like, nothing will ever be the same. All because she made the decision to do this to her children and allow her business partner, whatever she is, Jody, to also actively abuse her children. I'm going to play that 911 call again at the end of this video, because I never want anyone to forget the pain and trauma that was in that neighbor's voice when that poor child showed up with duct tape on his limbs. I think that clip, that audio, should always be fresh in people's minds when anybody wants to say, oh, why are you talking about Ruby? Why, just let the courts deal with it. No, this is playing on a public stage. She was a family vlogger. She made millions of dollars exploiting her children. And what's happening right now is huge. This is going to be huge as far as like internet culture goes. And we all have a right to be pissed off. We all have a right to be mad and angry and vent our frustrations, because I know I'm mad. I know a lot of y'all are mad, and I'm here to cover it. And we're going to see it through to the end. But that's the update as of today. The traffic charge is done, and let's hope that this allows the child abuse case to pick up some steam. I'll keep an eye on it, but for now, if you like the video, please leave a like in the comments. And if you'd like to see more from me in the future, please subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
I just had a 12-year-old boy show up here at my front door asking for help. And he's said he just came from a neighbor's house, and we know there's been problems at this neighbor's house. He's emaciated. He's got tape around his legs. He's hungry, and he's thirsty.
Okay. Is your door locked?
No, I'm sitting outside with him on the front patio.
Okay, cool.
And he asked us to call the police.
What's
So he's
the
very afraid.
Are the neighbors out of their home, or is anybody looking for them that you can see?
No. Homes are far enough away. I'm not sure. How did you get out of the house?
Porch. He went out.
He says he just left through the porch at the neighbor's house. Her name is Jody Hildebrand, and she lives 2 doors up the street. Yeah, out here in Cayenne, the houses are far apart, so he walked just under the block to get to our house. He rang my doorbell and asked me to call the police.
Does he seem to be under the influence of drugs or alcohol?
I don't think so, but he's very thirsty, and
Need an ambulance?
I don't think he needs an ambulance. I'll let the cops decide that, but his ankles are taped up, and he won't tell us why.
Okay.
He has duct tape around each ankle. Yeah, there's sores around them. I think there's a good chance he's been... Oh, and he has them around his ankles. I mean, his wrists as well. Okay, this boy has been... This kid has obviously been... I think he's been detained. He's obviously covered in wounds.
Okay. Let's get the paramedics headed over that way, okay?
Oh, that's a good idea, too.
Let's see. Has he told you where his mom or dad are?
Haven't asked him that. Hmm? Yeah. You know where your mom is?
I really got you.
Yeah, I'm sure that doesn't matter, son. Do you know where your mom and dad are?
Well, actually, I don't know where my mom is, but I do know where my dad is. He's not anywhere here. No. Nowhere here.
Okay. No, he doesn't seem to. He says he knows where his mom is, but
He doesn't know where his dad is.
that's correct.
I do know where my dad is.
Is his mom home?
He doesn't live
He just says he doesn't live around here.
Okay. Is his
Yeah,
mom
we're
in
good.
this area?
Is your mom around here? Have you seen her lately? He doesn't know where she is right now.
Does he know his mom's name?
What's your mom's name? Ruby Franke? Ruby Franke is his mom's name.
Okay. How do you spell the last name?
Franke.
Franke.
Okay. And does she live in the area?
No, I'm not sure where she lives. He's trying to help us, but he's...
That's okay. We don't want to stress him out too much. The officers will go over all these questions with him anyway. I just want to stay on the phone with you until we get some help there, okay? Can you ask him if any other children were in the home he came from?
Okay. Was there any other kids up at Jody's house? 10 and 14, and they're still at this house.
Are they tied up as well?
What's the deal with? Are they being held? Do they have wounds on them as well?
Nothing bad going on with us.
Okay.
It's just the
Okay. So they're able to walk around the house and everything.
everything.
Well, okay. He says everything's fine with them. Grain of salt.
Okay.
He says what's happened to him is his fault. He's fine. I've got him sitting here. My wife, he got him water and giving him something to eat because he's hungry, and I think the young man, he's hearing his stocking feet, so he escaped.
Well, I'm glad that he was able to make it to
They're on their way.
where he could be safe. They should just be pulling up now. Let me know when they're with you, okay?
Will do. Is Jody up there right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Jody Hildebrand is up there right now.
Okay.
So she may come looking for him here soon, but he's not going to, obviously. I think we need the cops here as soon as possible.
I'm just asking where he is now.
Yeah, she's a bad lady. We didn't realize how bad.
Does he have anything with him?
But no, he's wearing a long sleeve shirt and shorts, and it's way too big for him.
Can you tell me what color the shirt and shorts are?
Okay, the ambulance is here.
Okay.
So
Are they with you?
no, they're just not getting out of the truck.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll go ahead and I'll let you go then. You did a great job.